So Tobias, thanks for your time today. Can you tell us more about the GROB for net industry, please?
Yes, thank you. So this year we show here at the in-house exhibition our new manufacturing execution system, which is fully integrated into the ERP landscape of the companies.
Sure, so if we start at the beginning, we're talking about presumably machine tool optimization, downtime on machines, tracking all this data.
Yeah, so everything is included. You have an overview of the order management, so for plant directors, and you also have a shop floor management where the machine operators can have a look. Is my machine in automatic mode? Is it producing parts, or is there any disturbance?
Sure, so we've got what I would class as machine tool monitoring, and you've also got like the MES side, so the planning. So it's kind of the whole solution, certainly when you add in quality as well.
Yeah, quality is also included. So normally you have an order management. We start with the logistic process, bring the parts directly to the machines, for example, via an HEV or RMR system. Afterwards, we do the producing of the parts. And during the production, of course, there are also quality topics we have to store within the database that the end customer has all the quality parameters which are necessary.
So if we're trying to produce an efficient machine shop, an efficient factory, we need machine tools. Clearly GROB offer those. We need to make sure we're getting the best from that machine, don't we? So this software helps with that. But then we also need to start managing the shop floor. What jobs come in next? How much work do we have? And as I say, this is all built in, certainly on the new MES software.
Yeah, so this is all included. You have a capacity planning of all the machines, and you have a perfect overview what happens at my shop floor. So I can show you here inside the order monitor, for example. So for example, here you see the overview of our production. We have different departments. In this case, there's a cylinder head production, which is at the moment in operation 40. And to the end of the planning date, we have up to operation 150, and it needs a total time of 33 hours. So you have a perfect overview as a plant director, and you can see what's the status of my production.
And obviously, GROB, you're a seller of machine tools, but not all machine tools. So what happens if I've got CNC lathes and things like this, things that you don't offer? Is this software for everybody?
So this software is not only for GROB machines, it's for the whole shop floor. You can connect different devices like milling and turning machines, like grinding machines, and not only GROB machines.
So when we look at GROB, we're not just looking to sell machine tools, we're trying to make them more efficient, reduce downtime, increase quality, and make your customers more money.
Yeah, the goal is to increase production for our customers.